Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. This is Everyday Finance and I'm your host Bobby. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for taking time out to watch this video. While you're here, if you enjoy this content, be sure to smash that like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you'll get updates on future content and videos similar to what you'll see in today's video. For today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 best places to sell your stuff. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So whether it be leftover exercise equipment or the older TVs you just changed out in your home, everyone has leftover stuff that they could either get rid of or sell for cash. Now, these are the 5 best apps or websites to sell your stuff on. But before we get into that list, let's start things off with an honorable mention. Now, coming in as our honorable mention is Gunbroker. Now, for those that are unfamiliar with this website, gunbroker.com is a website where you can buy and sell firearms as well as all of their accessories and equipment. Now, I know firearms may be something that's taboo to talk about, but it's also something that a lot of people have and can be sold for cash as well. Now, signing up for Gunbroker is simple. You just sign up using an email or a username, and you decide whether you want to buy or sell items. If you're looking to sell items, it's as simple as taking pictures of the items that you want to sell, creating a description, as well as the price, and putting it out there. Now, Gunbroker does give you premium options such as bold fonts on your page if you're looking to sell items, as well as highlighting it on their homepage. All in, Gunbroker is the #1 place where people go to either buy or sell guns and accessories. Now, jumping into our list, coming in at number 5 is ThreadUp. Unlike most traditional online sellers, ThreadUp doesn't require you to take pictures or create an online listing. Simply create a profile, request the free cleanout kit, and send them your stuff. They take care of creating posts and taking pictures of your stuff. If your items don't sell, they'll simply send them back to you or recycle them. It's completely your choice. They also have a brand tool online where you can search the brands of your clothing and see whether they're eligible or ineligible to be sold. The pricing tool also shows you what your payout will be based on the sale price of items online to take the guesswork out of what you'll receive back from your clothes. Now, the downside of ThreadUp is that they focus exclusively on women and children's clothing. So guys, we'll have to sell our clothes somewhere else. In addition, ThreadUp sees itself as an online consignment shop and wants to shrink the environmental impact of clothing being used once and then discarded as well. Now, I know what you're wondering, why not Poshmark? Poshmark is a great online website for selling your clothes. However, Poshmark focuses more on the luxury and designer brands and not everyday clothes. Poshmark does offer men's clothing and has commissions as low as $2 on items that are under $15. Over $15 is 20%. And with an online community of over 80 million people, it would have easily made this list if it didn't focus specifically on designer and luxury brands. Coming in at number 4 is eBay. eBay is a well-known and used marketplace with over 187 million users, as well as 109 million monthly visits. With that in mind, eBay is not a place where you'll have to worry about your items being seen. Selling an item is easy. Simply create a profile, list your item, and then wait for the money to come in. There is no listing charge for the first 250 listings on eBay. After this point, it's 35 cents a listing. eBay charges 10 to 15% of the final sale price if the item is under $2,000. If it's over $2,000, it's 9%. Now, the biggest issue people have on eBay is the shipping. Not everyone can eyeball an item and determine how much shipping is, or take the item to a post office or UPS, figure out what the shipping is, and then put that on the website. But outside of that, eBay is one of the best options when it comes to selling your stuff online, both because of its market visibility as well as the cheap price to sell your items. Coming in at number 3 is OfferUp, LetGo. OfferUp and LetGo merged in 2020 and became the largest local online marketplace for sellers. For those who don't want to deal with shipping, taking items to the post office or FedEx, this is your app. Selling is simple. Create a profile, take photos of your items, create a listing, and just watch and wait. OfferUp is another site that offers premium options when selling, such as bolder fonts, highlighting it, as well as placing it at the top of the listings. Now, outside of having a direct garage sale, OfferUp is the best option for local sellers. Coming in at number 2, Facebook Marketplace. For those who don't know, Facebook is a social media app that has hundreds of millions of users. Now, it took the buying and selling marketplace by storm by adding this feature. Along with giving its users the option of selling items directly to each other, it also gives someone who has a large friend group or following the opportunity to sell those items quicker. Now, when it comes to selling on Facebook Marketplace, the categorical lists are extensive. It starts from simple items such as small beauty items that women use, all the way to homes. Yes, you can sell homes on Facebook Marketplace. Now, Facebook Marketplace is only number 2 on this list because of the sheer size and daily volume that's produced by number 1 on our list. And now, the number 1 place to sell your stuff is Amazon. What needs to be said about Amazon that hasn't already been said? It's owned by the richest person in the world. The site gets 5.2 billion visits per month. The sheer size and volume that Amazon does daily, monthly, or yearly is immense. But when it comes to selling on Amazon, you'll need to have what's called a selling plan. There are 2 selling plan options, individual and professional. If you sell less than 40 items a month, I suggest the individual option. The cost for individual is 99 cents per item sold. The professional is $39.99 per month. Amazon is a place where your items will be seen by millions, if not billions of people, and you'll also be able to sell it fairly quickly. Now guys, this video has been about the 5 best places to sell your stuff, along with an honorable mention. If this information has been enjoyable for you and your family, as well as educational, be sure to smash that like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you get updates on future content and videos similar to what you saw in today's video. And always remember guys, there is no goal that is unobtainable when you apply everyday finance. I'll see you guys in the next video.